Welcome back, traders. This section in the online course, we're going to be covering Metatrader4. Everything from how to download it, install it, right up to how the whole platform works, how we can edit our charts and include indicators and everything that we need to actually start trading and earning that money. First thing you want to do is go to your favorite web browser, whichever one that you are using, and head on over to cmtrading.com. You'll see the CM Trading website loads up. You have your banner advert across here, which is telling you about some of the awesome features that they offer. Feel free to go through and browse the website. You can get information about how they're regulated in South Africa, as well as some places overseas. Some information on copycat trading, which is very, very interesting. And then you can also have a look at some of the YouTube videos that they post. We will be coming back to the CM Trading website as the course progresses. They have some very important tools on here, mainly the economic calendar, which can both make a lot of money and save you from losing a lot of money. So if you can, go ahead and add this as a bookmark so you have a quick link to come back to it. But for now, what we're going to do is head on over to Platform and Tools and go to Metatrader4. This will load up the page which is going to offer us the Metatrader4 platform. Reasons why I use Metatrader4 is, firstly, it's free, which is the best price of all. Basically, CM Trading have paid a relatively hefty fee in order to allow their clients to use Metatrader4 at no cost. The nice thing with Metatrader4 is that it has a very strong international community. If you are more advanced and very computer literate, like you understand programming and that sort of thing, Metatrader4 has a built-in programming language which will allow you to use expert advisors. That's how good this is. We don't need all of that stuff, so if you're not a programmer, that's not a problem at all. Another very good thing with Metatrader4 is that it comes pre-built with pretty much every indicator you will ever need. You can go ahead and download additional ones and put in, similar to how expert advisors are added in, but it comes with a wide range of indicators for you to use. So let's scroll down the page a little bit, and you'll see over here we can download Metatrader4. Just click on that link, and you'll see that you have cmtrading4 setup.exe downloading. Once it's finished, you just click on that. The publisher is MetaQuote Software Corporation. These are the people who created MetaTrader. So we're going to go ahead and run this program and allow it to run. And now you'll see we have the license agreement. I've already read through this a few times. If you wish, go ahead and read through how it works. But basically you need to agree with all the terms of this license agreement to install it. So you select there and then click next. It's going to load up an MQL5 page. We don't need this page. This is basically the community behind the programming language inside MetaTrader. What we want to see is this over here. It should download the files. It's only 18 megs. It might change slightly depending on the build, but it should be relatively quick even on a slower internet connection. Once it's finished downloading and you've clicked on finish, it should start loading up MetaTrader. And here we go. We now have MetaTrader installed, and we need to create a demo account so that we can start editing. All that we need to do is make sure that CM Trading Demo is selected. Then you click on Next. And we're going to set up a new demo account. So make sure this radio button is selected. And click on Next again. Now I'm going to blur out my details here, but what you want to do is fill in your name and email address as well as telephone number across here. I strongly suggest you use your real email address. CM Trading send out a newsletter which has a lot of very good trading information inside it. Sometimes they can point out news events which you wouldn't have noticed otherwise and give you good reviews on what's coming up. So just by reading those newsletters can save you and make you a fair deal of money. Once you've filled in your details, you click on I agree to subscribe to your newsletter, and then you click on Next. It'll create a login number for you, as well as a password and an investor password. Now because this is a demo account, it's not really that important to remember everything. And MetaTrader will also allow you to automatically log in next time you load the software, so you don't have to go through this every time. Once you see all that information, you can choose to write it down if you wish and click on Finish. That's the sound we've been waiting for. That's the sound of MetaTrader establishing a connection to CM Trading servers. And if you look on the bottom right, you'll see we are downloading data and all of our charts will be updating. And here is your MetaTrader. In the upcoming videos, we're going to explain how everything works, how it fits together, and how to get it to do exactly what you want it to do.